In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB Maths questions under graphs of sine and cosine of trigonometry. Alright, so we have two questions, repeated questions under this topic to practice with. Let's begin with this first question we have here. The question says, which of the following is a graph of this expression cos theta for this interval notation? So guys, from these options we have here, the correct graphing for this cos theta for the interval notation we have is, the correct option is option B. Alright, so this is the correct graphing for this cosine of the expression we have here. So the graph of cos, this is how it looks like. So option B is the correct one. Take note of this. This is a repeated question in case you see it again. So the correct option is option B. Let's go to the next question. So for the next question we asked, so it says the graph above represents a, alright, so this graph we have here above, this is a sine graph. Alright, this is the correct graphing for a sine graph. It's not cosine, it's a sine graph. So just take note of this question. It's a repeated question under graph of sine and cosine. So this is a sine graph. So these are two repeated questions for this topic under JAMB Maths I have often seen. Alright, so this is a sine graph, whereas the first one we saw, this is a cosine graph. Alright, which is option B. Option B is the right expression for this cosine graph we have here. So that will be all for this video. Hope you learned something interesting. This is one of my shortest videos so far in this series of JAMB Maths. So let's go to class here, guys. If you are new to our channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel or what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask, I don't know what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Now click on the screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.